everybody, we're back. Today we're making stew peas. So here we have flour for the spinners, some corn oxtail. I do my own, by the way. And beef neck bones, red kidney beans, we call it red peas in Jamaica. Scallions, few grains of pimento or allspice, scotch bonnet pepper, black pepper, and thyme. Wash your peas properly. Sometimes they have little stones and stuff. I fill the pot maybe halfway up. Start with your garlic, few cloves. I didn't mention that before. Always start with your garlic. And I put my peas in cold water. I don't, some people might do it different. And I put my meat in right away in cold water. Um, we're going to cook this for about maybe an hour before we need to do anything else to it. Okay. Use a medium flame. Just, yeah, making sure, spread everything out. Yes, and put your allspice in there from the start. You cook it afterwards, but you know, this dish is really not hard. So I would say it's been cooking for about maybe 45 minutes so far. You see that meat, how nice the color is? Yes, I corn my own meat because I was tired of that stuff from those pails. It didn't look right, so, and it works wonderfully. I'm going to tell you in another video how to do this. So I'm going to leave it there. At this point, I'm back, and I would say maybe 1.5 hours it's been cooking. We'll just stir to, take a look at the peas to see how far we've come. It smells good already. Yeah, I'm adding some water. And this also, you could be, you kind of just look at it and you kind of know when to put more. Not too much, no, because you can't take it out, but you can add a little bit at a time. And stir every now and then. So it comes really nice. See the peas? It's getting soft. If at any time, sometimes the meat cooks before the peas. And what I do is I take them out, all the pieces, let the peas cook to a certain point, and then I put them back in. Yep. At this point, I'm putting my thyme, my scotch bonnet, 2, because I like pepper. Scallions, I don't cut them up because this way I can just take it out if I want. Sometimes it just cooks right out, it disappears. I'm not trying to add too much water at this point. This is when you just put just what you need. I'm just stirring because it's fun. It looks good already. Yes, so I'm just cover. And some more time. I'm going to make my spinners. This is really just flour, water, and some salt. A little pinch of salt. Don't worry about making too much because if I make too much, what I do is I can make some boiled dumplings with the extra. So you can be, you don't have to be too serious about this part. And if you put too much water, just add more flour. If it's too dry, add more water. It's really hard to mess this up. This is a fun dish to make. I really like making this. And you don't have to stand there because you're not frying anything. Yes, you can do things between the time that you check on your stew. Just, you don't have to knead it too hard. Just enough to hold it together. That's the same dough as a boiled dumpling. No different. It's just tiny boiled dumplings, really. Why does this look so satisfying? Yeah, it's kind of sticking to my fingers. At this point, you could put a little bit more flour. You'll know. Okay, so see it's coming together. You know, you leave it there for like a few minutes, maybe 15 minutes, and then you knead it again. It gets softer. I'm giving it a little stir. Yes. I took them out. I took the peppers out because if they burst, it could be too much. I mean, we like pepper, but too much can be, too much. So just to make sure they don't burst, I take them out at this point because they're soft. And this is how I usually do because I'm usually rushing. So yeah, I take off a bit of flour and I do it like you don't have to do this. You could break off a little piece at a time from the bowl. But this is what I do for speed. Your hands might, if it's sticking, just dip your hands in the flour. Yep. Or dip that piece of dough in the flour. See? I think we have enough, but we like a lot, so I just keep going. Yeah, so then, yeah. We're almost done here. You just leave that to simmer to the thickness that you require. I put my black pepper at this point. Some people don't use a black pepper, and that's okay. That's all right. Getting thicker. Wow, look at that. Looks so good. And it tastes good. It's the oxtail, you can tell. It's not just fresh from the store. That pickling process I use, it's pretty easy and it tastes wonderful. Nice. Kids like to eat stew peas with fried chicken. I don't know where they picked up this habit, but they like it and I got to like it. So you could make some fried chicken to go with your stew peas, but you don't have to. A little heart made with love. Yep.
I can tell you guys it was so good. Look at that. We want to thank you guys for tuning in again. Thanks for watching and liking and subscribing to the channel. Go ahead and like, comment. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. You don't want to miss these recipes. Share it with your friends and family. And let us know in the comments which recipes you would like to see next. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!